in southwestern Illinois, western Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern Franklin County, north central Jefferson County, eastern Lincoln County, St. Charles County, St. Louis County, southeastern Warren County, St. Louis City in east central Missouri, until 8 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 5 miles northwest of Ellsbury to Over Union, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Louis, O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Florissant, Chesterfield, Wildwood, University City, Bowen, Granite City, Woodsville, Alton, Kirkwood, Maryland Heights, East St. Louis, Hazelwood, Webster Groves, Ferguson, Manchester, and Godfrey. This includes the following state parks: Beadler Memorial State Park, Scott Joplin Historic Site, Route 66 State Park, Quiver River State Park, Castlewood State Park, Confluence State Park, First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site, and Marquette State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 203 and 231. Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 251 and 277. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes